Students, we have completed with the karyokinesis process of the M phase. Karyokinesis is nothing but the nuclear division, and which was having different subphases like prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase. Now we are going to start with the another phase of the mitotic cell division, and that is known as cytokinesis. So when we are talking about M phase, we were having mainly two phases: karyokinesis and cytokinesis. Karyo means nuclear, so this represents nuclear division, and cyto means cytoplasm, so this indicates cytoplasm division. Now in cytokinesis, the process is for division of cytoplasm. So I can always say that in division, I am just here, this we have already done. So I am now starting with the cytokinesis process. The mitosis accompanies not only the duplicated chromosome division, but along with that it also helps, or it also responsible for formation of two new daughter cells. Right? So along with karyokinesis, cytokinesis is also happening, and that actually is responsible for two new daughter cell formation from the parental cell. Now this process occurs in different ways in plant cell and animal cell. So let's start with the animal cell. What happens in animal cell? In animal cell, cytokinesis, just for example, this is animal cell, and two new nuclei have been formed. So these are daughter nuclei. Now a furrow is created from the periphery, and so I can say here that furrow, when I am saying furrow is created like this. So furrow is created, and these furrow, it grows deeper and deeper, and ultimately, so this I can say furrow, it grows deeper and deeper, and because of that, ultimately it unites to form two new daughter cells. So two new daughter cells have been formed by furrow formation. Simple process, and this method is known as centripetal method. Centripetal method, which always progress from periphery to center. So that was for animal cell. For plant cell, they are having cell wall surrounding the cell. And because of that, this relatively inextensible wall plasma membrane of animal cell. And for that, some other method is there for say cytokinesis process in the plant cell. So what is going to happen in plant cell? Just assuming this is plant cell, and these two are daughter nuclei. These are daughter nuclei. Now here the cytokinesis process starts from center portion of the cell, and that's why here at center, at the center, one can see the special structure known as phragmoplast. At center. Now what are these phragmoplast? Phragmoplast are formed with the help of vesicles of dictyosomes. Dictyosomes बोले, so the other name is Golgi complex और Golgi body. उसका क्या लेना है? Vesicles. And along with that, membranous structure of endoplasmic reticulum. Both unite to form a special structure at center known as phragmoplast. Now these phragmoplasts unite together. They unite together, right? So ultimately what happens? Phragmoplast vesicles unite to form a simple precursor known as cell plate, which is also known as the middle lamella, made up of calcium pactate. And then this middle lamella structure, it further grows and unite with existing cell wall or existing lateral cell walls. So this will move toward periphery. So ultimately what will happen? Now ultimately I can say from here you can have this kind of structure and a cell plate formation starts, which grows toward periphery, and ultimately you can have two new daughter cells with plasma membrane cell wall and one more layer which is present, that is known as middle lamella, which helps to join the two neighbor cells of plant tissue. This method is known as centrifugal method. This is known as centrifugal. For animal cell, it was known as centripetal method. Right? So that was all about cytokinesis, and because of that, after end of cytokinesis, we are going to have two new daughter cells. But there are certain cases where karyokinesis is not followed by cytokinesis. Then what will happen? So if karyokinesis is not followed by cytokinesis, karyokinesis is not followed by cytokinesis, then what will happen? मतलब न्यूक्लियर डिवीजन हो रहा है बट साइटोप्लाज्म डिवीजन विल नॉट टेक प्लेस, तो क्या होगा? सो जस्ट अज्यूमिंग वन सेल वेयर दिस वाज पेरेंटल सेल then karyokinesis took place, and because of that, now what will happen? Two daughter nuclei has been formed, but cytokinesis do not take place. In such condition, the cell will have two nuclei, and this condition is known as syncytium condition. This is known as syncytium condition, where a cell is having more than one nucleus. Right? This can be seen in liquid portion of coconut. That is, you can say coconut water is made up by such process where the karyokinesis has taken place, but cytokinesis is not going to take place, and because of that, syncytium condition will be there. Along with the cytokinesis process, the other organelles like endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi body, mitochondria, they also got double during interphase, and those also get divided into the two daughter cells. So that's how the entire process of mitosis get completed. Now we need to study about the significance of mitosis process. So here I am going to start with the significance. First of all, we should understand where this mitosis process is going to take place. Normally, mitosis process occurs in diploid cells, right? So normally diploid cells, diploid बोले तो डाई मतलब टू, एम्प्लॉयड मतलब नंबर ऑफ क्रोमोसोम्स, जिसको हम प्लॉइडी भी बोलते हैं. So diploid means 2n, and because of mitosis, it is going to give you two new daughter cells with diploid chromosomes. But sometime in lower organisms like certain insects, social insects बोलते हैं, which are normally going to harm our daily routines or maybe can cause some problems to farmers also, right? So this lower organism, they have haploid chromosomes, and then also they are showing mitosis to give you other cells of haploid chromosomes. Now, what is the significance? First point, it helps to produce daughter cells with the identical material like parental cell. जो भी parental cell में था, जैसा था, same things are delivered to the daughter cells. So, identical daughter cells are produced which resemble to their parent, like the parental cell. Number one. Number two, they help, this process help in growth. So, you can say from single zygote, multicellular body arise. So that is known as growth. Next, it also helps in restoring the nucleocytoplasmic ratio. So it restores nucleocytoplasmic ratio. Now what is this? हमको पता है कि न्यूक्लियर में क्रोमोसोम्स जो है वो फिक्स है, but the growth of cell cause formation of new and new cytoplasmic material. So because of that, now cell will enter into cell cycle, will form other material and will divide equally, so that again two new cells formed with the nucleocytoplasmic ratio like that of parental one. जैसे पेरेंट में था वैसे का वैसा सेम कंटेंट डॉटर सेल्स में भी आ जाएगा. नहीं तो हो जाएगा ऐसा कि न्यूक्लियस में क्रोमोसोम्स फिक्स रह गए और साइटोप्लाज्म में कंटेंट बढ़ता जा रहा है, बढ़ता जा रहा है, बढ़ता जा रहा है, बढ़ता जा रहा है. Then ultimately it will burst. So that is not going to happen because of this mitosis process. Next is it also helps in repairing process. Repairing of what? Repairing of upper layer of epidermis. ध्यान रखना, dermis means skin and epi means the uppermost layer. This is the uppermost layer. Due to friction of environment, due to other processes, this layer is continuously getting, those cells निकल के जाते हैं. So that process can be restored or can be resolved by addition of new cells through mitosis process. Maybe you can say the gut lining. लाइनिंग मतलब जो उसको कवर करता है और गट मतलब आपका हुआ डाइजेस्टिव ट्रैक्ट. तो डाइजेस्टिव ट्रैक्ट में आप कुछ भी खा लो, इतनी बड़ी पकौड़ी खा जाते हो, मुंह में चिल नहीं जाएगा. बेचारी इसोफेगस तो छोटी सी है, इतना बड़ा बर्गर खा जाते हो आप लोग. सो यू शुड अंडरस्टैंड दैट लेयर्स get damaged and those get replaced by mitosis process. Our RBCs are having lifespan of only 120 days. तो 120 days पे एक आरबीसी मरते जाएंगे, तो नए कहां से बनेंगे? बाजार से लाएंगे, बट अभी तो लॉकडाउन है. नहीं, RBCs are also getting produced through mitosis process, right? So those RBC they have limited lifespan of only 120 days. नए RBCs बनते रहते हैं, जितने मरते हैं उससे ज्यादा बनते हैं अपने बॉडी में. So that is repair process can also be done with the help of mitosis process. In plant there are certain tissues which grow throughout the life. And these are known as meristematic tissue. This meristematic tissue are present at the shoot apex, root apex. So shoot बढ़ता जाता है, root बढ़ता जाता है. कैसे? नए सेल्स बनाता है. कैसे? With the help of mitosis process. Right? So this can be present at root tip, shoot tip, etc. So that's how mitosis help in formation of your own body cells which are known as somatic cells, and the number of chromosomes remain same. So that's why we can say it as the equational division also. One more type of cell division we need to study, and that is known as amitosis. It is also known as direct division. Why known as direct division? This also involves two processes known as karyokinesis and the cytokinesis. But why it is known as direct? We'll tell you in few seconds. Karyokinesis means nuclear division, but here nuclear division occurs without spindle formation. Bipolar spindle formation, which we have studied for mitosis, that do not take place. Even the nuclear envelope remains intact only nucleus get constricted and then it divides. So here simple cell is there. Now in nuclear division, first of all constriction took place, and because of that the nucleus show this constriction. Ultimately it divides into two nuclei, and at the same time in cytokinesis again constriction starts. So this is constriction. So here also it occurs with the help of constriction, and later on it grows deeper and deeper to form two new daughter cells. So there is no involvement of centriole, no spindle formation, nothing doing, and because of that it is known as direct division. While mitosis can be known as adirect or indirect division method. Only disadvantage of this method or drawback, you can say, disadvantage or drawback of this method is it may not result into equal daughter cell formation. Why? Because simply when nucleus is getting एक न्यूक्लियस था and then ultimately constriction okay, ऐसे जा रहे तो हो सकता है कि one cell is getting more and the another cell is getting less. So it may not result into two equal new daughter cells. Where this is happening, this normally can be seen in the lower organisms like bacteria, cyanobacteria. Even in higher organisms, in plants, in endosperm, this method can be seen. Endosperm formation. Endosperm is nothing but the kitchen of the plant. So in that also it can be seen. Maybe some diseased cells can also show this kind of cell division. So these are the examples where amitosis direct division happens where nuclear envelope remains in it only, right? So I can here again I can show this. The chromosome was this, right? And this was nuclear membrane, or you can say nuclear envelope. Thus how directly two new daughter cell formation takes place.